how to fix WhatsApp message not sending. So hi guys, today I'm going to talk about how to fix WhatsApp message not sending. So to fix WhatsApp messages not sending, the first thing what you can do is check your internet connection. You can just simply switch between your Wi-Fi and the mobile data for the stable network connection. Or the next what you can do is just turn on your airplane mode and then wait for 10 seconds and then turn it off again. This forces your phones to reconnect to the cellular data. Now the next thing what you can do is, you see when you open your WhatsApp Messenger app and you find some kind of issue going on with the app, you can just simply swipe it up from the bottom of your screen and then swipe it up again to close it from a multitasking screen. Then turn your device off, wait for 30 seconds and turn it back on. And then try opening your WhatsApp Messenger app one more time. Now the next thing what you can do is update the WhatsApp app. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store and then find WhatsApp Messenger app. And if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.